Hello and welcome back to GSM ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to add a video on WhatsApp status. First thing, you have to be on status page on WhatsApp and then click on My Status. Here you can choose between all your photos and videos. As for today, I will go with a video. Now you have the options to mute the video, crop it, add a sticker, text, draw on it, add a caption, and manage settings on which contacts can see your status. I will go with a simple time sticker. You can choose between multiple designs. And you also can undo every action with this button. You can add any text with multiple designs, and you can choose which color you want your text to be. You can draw on your video by simply clicking on the pen button. You can choose between multiple colors, and after you're finished, click done. You also can add a caption. And to manage the settings on which contacts can see your status, click on the bottom of your left bottom corner. Here you can choose between multiple options. I will go with my contacts. And after you're all set and done, you just click upload. And after the status is uploaded, you can share to Facebook story, or if you want to delete it, click on the three dots, then click again on the three dots and choose delete. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.